If you've been browsing online for brass designed specifically for smaller bust sizes, you may have stumbled across getfitcherries.com, a website that claims to offer a perfect fit for women who often feel overlooked by mainstream lingerie brands. With band sizes ranging from 26 to 38 and cup sizes from a L to C, it definitely sounds like a refreshing and targeted solution. But before you pull out your credit card, let's take a closer look, because when something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. I took some time to investigate the store, and what I uncovered might make you rethink your decision. First off, the site proudly displays claims of 5-star Trustpilot reviews, but when I actually checked, there was only one review and it was negative. That's a red flag right there. Next, I discovered the domain was only created on March 23, 2025, which means it's a very new site with no proven history or customer base. Not necessarily a deal breaker, but definitely something to note. It gets more questionable when you consider their past behavior. There's evidence suggesting that the people behind this store have shut down other similar websites in the past and simply rebranded under a new name. That's a tactic often used to dodge poor reputations or avoid accountability from unhappy customers. Then there's the lack of real customer service, no phone number, no live chat, just a generic email address. So if you run into a problem with your order, good luck getting it resolved quickly. And finally, they boldly claim they've been featured in major media outlets like Vogue and Glamour, but I couldn't find a single piece of proof, no links, no articles, nothing. It feels like they're using big brand names to build credibility without actually earning it. So is getfitcherries.com legit or a scam? Honestly, it's not entirely clear-cut. While they might be a new brand trying to break into a niche market, the combination of misleading reviews, lack of transparency, and questionable business history makes it hard to trust them completely. I'm not saying don't buy, but if you do, proceed with caution, and definitely do your own research before placing an order.